Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to talk about locations in AccuCampus. Before importing services, you first need to create locations within AccuCampus. In this instance, location can refer to either physical location, like Academic Building 7, or entities within that location. For example, Office of Advising, which is located within the Academic Building 7. In order for AccuCampus to be fully operational, you need to include both types of locations. Please click General Locations. Right here, you're going to be presented with a list of locations and a Create Location button right here. You can click Create Location and a new form is going to show, or we can use one of the locations that is currently in the system so I can show you the different fields. First, enter the name of the location. Remember, it can be either the name of the building or the name of the entity within the building. In this case, it's the Math Lab, which is located in room A206. Right here, this is the order when you are sorting the locations. If you put number 1, for example, this is going to be on the top of the list. If you put number 10 out of 10 locations, this is going to be right in the bottom. This is the contact information for this location. For example, for the Math Lab is math@engineerica.edu in this example. The website, if there is one, like this one. The physical location, you can put it right here, and it's going to show a map with the physical location on it. You can put extra information using this text field right here. For example, we decided to put the time Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And this is the access restriction module. In this case, you want to use this to restrict access to some roles in specific. Let's say that I only want administrators to be able to use this location. Then I will check this restrict access right here, and only administrators will be able to use this location. In this case, I am going to leave it open for all roles to be able to use it. Then just click Save, and you can continue adding locations as you need. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming. Bye.